How to download YouTube in PC. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to download YouTube in PC. To begin, open any web browser on your computer. In the browser search bar, type the official YouTube website, youtube.com, and patiently wait for the page to load. Upon entering the interface, you will notice a download icon located at the end of the search bar. Click on it and you will be prompted with an install option. Click on the install option. Give the installation process some time to complete. Once the installation is done, a dedicated YouTube window will appear on your desktop. Also, you can see the downloaded YouTube application on your desktop homepage. That ensures you're just a click away from your favorite videos. This is the simple and efficient way to enjoy YouTube on your PC. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.